The ratio shows shaded parts to non-shaded parts. Match the ratio statements and bar models. So 2 to 3. So there's 2 to 3. So we use a ruler. And which one shows 2 to 3? So 2 parts shaded, 3 parts not shaded is that one. 5 to 2. 5 to 2. So something that's got 5 parts shaded and not shaded. There we go, that one. 2 to 5. 2 parts shaded, 5 parts not shaded. And then 3 to 2 could go there. The ratio of purple to yellow is 5 to 4. There are 5 purple for every 4 yellow. It's 4 to 5. Who's correct? Well, Mo is, because he said from purple to yellow. If Alex said from yellow to purple, then she would be correct. Okay, because there are 5 purple for every 4 yellow. So there are 5 purple for every 4 yellow. Danny has some counters, cubes and marbles. Complete the sentences. The ratio of counters to marbles is, so he's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counters and 1, 2, 3, 4 marbles. Marbles to cubes, so he's got 4 marbles and 3 cubes. Ratio of cubes to counters, so he's got 3 cubes and 5 counters. Counters to cubes, 5 counters, 3 cubes. The ratio of counters to cubes, so counters first, so that's 5, cubes is 3, and marbles is 4, so it's 5 to 3 to 4. Brett has drawn some triangles and squares. The ratio of triangles to squares is 1 to 3, so for every 1 triangle, he has 3 squares. Are there more triangles or more squares? Well, squares, because for every 1 triangle, there are 3 squares. Brett has drawn more than 10 shapes. Draw what Brett might have drawn. Okay, so he's got 1 triangle, 3 squares, another triangle, 3 squares, another triangle, 3 squares. I could have drawn some more, but I've drawn 4, 8, 12, and that's more than 10 shapes. Here are some rulers and some pencils. So 1 pencil, 3 rulers, 1 pencil, 3 rulers. What is the ratio of pencils to rulers? Well, it could be 2 pencils to 6 rulers or 1 pencil to 3 rulers. Here are some more rulers and pencils. The ratio of pencils to rulers is the same as part A. Ron is wrong because there are more pencils and more rulers. Now, there are 3 pencils, there are 9 rulers, okay? So that's the ratio of 3 to 9. But we know we can simplify that by finding a common factor, okay, which is 3. So the ratio is 1 to 3. It's exactly the same as what was said in part A. So Ron is correct because you can simplify the ratio to 1 to 3. Okay, there's still the same number of pencils, 2 rulers. Okay, just increase the amount. The ratio of horses to chickens in a field is 2 to 5. Here are the horses, draw the chickens. Can't draw chickens. So here's my chicken. Nothing like a chicken. And there are 5 of those for every 2 horses. So I need to draw 5 there, 5 there, and we draw 5 more here. Nothing like chickens, sorry to say. Okay, so every 2 horses there are 5 chickens. Shade the squares so that the ratio of the shaded to non-shaded squares is 1 to 4. Okay, so 1 part shaded, 4 parts non-shaded. Okay, so this time we've got 1 part shaded here, 4 parts not shaded, 1 part shaded here. So the ratio of 2 to 8 simplified to 1 to 4. And again here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, doesn't matter where you shade them, as long as they're only 3 shaded on that one. A box contains dark, white and milk chocolates. 3/8 of the box are dark chocolates, 1/2 of the box are milk chocolates, the rest are white chocolates. What does each ratio represent? So half of them, that would be 4/8. That's 3/8. So what's left, our white chocolates would be 1/8. Yeah, because that's 7/8, 1/8. So the ratio of 1 to 3, that's only got 1 part, so it's got to be white, which had 3 parts, was dark. So it's white to dark. 4 to 1, so it must be milk to white. And then 3 to 5 is dark to anything else. So all the other chocolates, so the other flavours.